What's up, Flomies? We are back with another double tutorial. We are teaching you the double horizontal figure 8, which looks just like this. For this trick, the stars are going to be going in opposite directions. So you're going to be doing your horizontal figure 8 going towards your body in one hand and the same in the other. And then when you bring them together, they go in opposite directions, just like that. You can also create that same illusion if you rotate your wrist and spin the stars the other way. So with your horizontal figure 8, you're going to pretend you have a glass of water and try not to spill that water out of that glass. Get a nice clean cut horizontal figure 8 to get really comfortable with that motion before you move into the doubles. And then once you bring it into the doubles, it's really about the timing of your movement. So focusing on bringing those flow stars down at the same time and back up at the same time, accentuating those movements and accenting the different timing of it. With doubles, it's important to remember that you're basically learning how to flow star again. It's gonna take some time to get used to the movements, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the learning process because there's a lot to be discovered in those moments of maybe frustration or times of discomfort when you're not really feeling like you're connecting with the movement. That is the moment that is the most important in your journey. So give yourself the time to get comfortable with this, and it's going to be a game changer for you. Thanks for watching this tutorial on the double horizontal figure 8s. Happy flowing and enjoy your doubles journey.